We are Dynamic Legal Solutions, an Oregon-based company that provides affordable, do-it-yourself divorce forms and video-guided tutorials that allow you to easily self-file in Oregon. Our mission is to empower self-represented parties, like you, to confidently go through the divorce process. Our goal is to increase access to justice across Oregon by significantly lowering costs through the use of technology and education. Our video-guided tutorials walk you through the divorce filing process step by step, with detailed instructions that simplifies the legal process. Our forms are specifically created for Oregon residents and can be used in any of Oregon's 36 counties. We offer a court-accepted guarantee on all forms or your money back. To get started, here's what you do. First, visit OregonDivorceForms.com and select and download the package you need. We offer several product packages for different stages of your case, including a la carte options. Second, fill out your divorce forms using your computer, tablet, or smartphone while following along with our video-guided tutorials. Each video features a licensed Oregon divorce attorney who will talk you through the divorce forms process step by step, explaining important information and how to correctly file each form. Finally, print and file your forms at your local county courthouse. The fact is, most Oregonians don't hire an attorney because it's just too expensive. You can do it yourself, with us as your guide. Download our forms and get started today.